Hello year 1, I hope you're keeping well. Now for this week's art lesson, we are going to make a simple paper boat. Okay, to make our paper boat, all we need is a square paper. A paper like this, a square paper. Now if you don't have a square paper, don't worry, just grab an A4 paper and I'll show you how to cut this into a square paper. Okay, so take a simple A4 paper, right? Make it into a triangle like this. Make a crease all the way down and then fold the bottom part of the paper like this and make a crease using your fingers. Take the scissors and cut the part where you made the crease. And when you open it up, you will find a square. Okay, so you need a square to make this paper boat. Right, now the first step, once you've got your square ready, the first step we are going to do is we are going to fold our paper into a half. So fold it right into the half. Use your fingers and make a crease like this. Make sure it's creased properly. Then once again, turn your paper and fold it again. Make a crease. So once you've done your crease, lift your paper and check whether you've got 4 flaps. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you should have 4 flaps like this. So once you've got those 4 flaps, take just the 3 flaps. 1, 2, 3, and take them to the corner of the paper, making it into a triangle like this. So you should get a triangle like this and make a crease again. So use your fingers and press it really hard to make that crease. Okay, so now you're left with 1 flap, just only 1 flap. Now turn that flap and make another triangle and crease it again. Crease it again properly. So once you've done that, when you open it up, you will see like a pocket where you can put your hands in, like a pocket. Now once you have that pocket, okay, open up the pocket and make a shape like this and do a crease again. Crease it again. So once you crease, okay, you should get a shape like this. Make sure you have a shape like this after creasing. Now what we are going to do is we are going to open up this boat gently. So when you open up like this, you should get your boat. There you go. Turn it. It all depends on how hard you press and how well your boat is creased. So there you go, your boat is ready. So can you see? You made your boat. Your boat is ready. That's how your boat looks like. Okay, good stand like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to sail this boat on the water. I've got a tray of water. Put the tray of water in there. And I'm going to put my boat. When you put your boat, make sure it stays like that. I'm going to put my boat and I'm going to blow it. Right, okay, my boat is moving. So let me try again. Right, so if you have siblings, you can make a paper boat with your sibling and do a race whose boat goes faster. So you blow it again and see whose boat goes faster. I hope you enjoyed making the paper boat, and and I hope you enjoyed playing with your sibling and doing a race. Okay, just email us and tell us how your paper went. Keep safe and thank you very much.